Meaning of exorcise.
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 Exorcise. The term exorcise refers to the act of practicing an exorcism, which is a religious or spiritual practice aimed at removing supposed evil spirits from a person, place, or object. The result of an exorcism can vary depending on the belief system of the individuals involved. In some cases, the person who is supposedly possessed is said to be free from evil spirits and may feel relieved or empowered. In other cases, the supposed possessions may be seen as psychological or medical conditions, and the exorcism may have no effect on the person's well-being.